Hey, what's up, guys? The day has come. OnePlus, along with the first time launching a Pro model in 7 series lineup today. But you don't have to wait for the actual launch event because the company V Universal leaked the phone 12 hours before the actual launch event. Now we have the device itself in flash leaked hands on. So, this is what you need to know about the OnePlus 7 Pro. Now first up from the front, you can see the OnePlus 7 Pro is a total bezel-less device. Specifically, when you see it in white background, it looks beast. You can clearly see the level of bezel we have on this device. The top is completely bezel-less. The sides you can see are getting curved screen like Samsung Galaxy S series. It's an edge display. We can see we have a little bit of chin as well at the bottom of the device, but despite that, thing is looking absolutely stunning. No holes, no notch, all thanks to the raising front camera setup. Slight sacrifice indeed, but you get a beast of a phone in return, in my honest opinion. Now taking a look at the back of the device, you can see this is the new blue color. I'm sure there will be a unique name of this color, but the interesting thing here is the camera setup. For the first time, we have a triple camera setup on a OnePlus flagship device. The main sensor is a 48 megapixel shooter with f1.6 aperture, along with we have a 3x telescopic zoom lens, and the third is wide angle lens. Then you get the LED flash, and there is OnePlus logo and also another one at the bottom. Now let's take a look at the cameras and it look camera samples, and it look pretty decent. The picture quality is crisp and clear. It's a good camera. Still, Google Pixel, Samsung and Apple has one of the best cameras out there, but keeping the price range in mind, this is one of the best option you get in this segment. It's not a $1,000 phone, but also not that cheap. You are looking here at a $700 price point for the Pro model, which is still again cheaper than the most of the phones. All of these we are confirmed. Now the OnePlus 7 Pro along with the OnePlus 7 model will be having a 3.0 storage, which makes this first phone after Galaxy Fold to have the new amazing storage speeds. Definitely gonna be faster than any current storage we have on the older flagship, and this might actually be the fastest phone on the planet. No kidding, guys, this is looking insane. So much power. I'll be doing an unboxing video very soon as I get hands on this device. If you don't already know, here are the specs for the new OnePlus 7 Pro. Notable changes are A+ AMOLED display, whole bezel-less design, of course 90Hz refresh rate, which means smoother experience specifically when it comes to animation and using the phone in general, and 4000 mAh battery inside, along with the quick charge 30 watts fast charging. If you are someone who cannot afford the Pro model, then you have a normal OnePlus 7, but you will still retain the old design with an updated specs at a cheaper price, around $500 price point, whereas Pro can cost up to $700, which is still a lot cheaper than $1,000 devices. I can't wait to get my hands on this beast. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Today I will be doing some more coverage. Follow me on Instagram to get the latest updates as this device gets officially announced. In the meantime, let me know what you think about OnePlus 7 Pro, and I'll catch you in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe the channel. Peace.